In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly handle missing assignments in Google Classroom. This is a super helpful tool to keep your gradebook organized. Let's head over to Google Classroom and open up one of our classes. Notice how some students have grades, but others have the title Missing. This is where we're going to focus today. If this is your first time using this feature, you may get a pop-up asking you to put in the percentage for any missing assignments. If not, we'll head over to Settings. In your settings, you're going to scroll down to your grading scale, and then we'll see our draft grade for missing assignments. This is for students who has not turned in their submission by the due date, or if you have marked it missing manually. So for us in this class, anyone that has a missing assignment will automatically get a 0%. If you do not want to use this feature, simply toggle this to disable it, and then enable it to have it blue. You can adjust this number to a different percentage as well. Maybe you want to give every student a 20% or keep it as a 0. So we'll keep it 0 and then hit save. For this assignment, our students that have not turned it in have a 0 or a U. So now all we have to do is return. You can even do a return all. Return all. This means that the assignment is missing for all of these students, so we can return them at once instead of individually. By hitting return, they're listed as missing with a 0%, and the students will get that feedback. Return all. This student completed the assignment, these 3 did not, and return. As you see, this is not a graded assignment, so the student simply got check marks. If the student does turn the assignment in late to you and you want to adjust the grade, you can change that by simply clicking on the box and selecting the grade that you wish for them to have. And we can see that it was missing, but there's now a grade, and we will need to return again. We can see that the grade was updated now to a B. This is a good way to let the student know that they did receive a grade, but originally it was missing. Keep in mind that excused and missing are different. Excused does not impact their grade, whereas a missing assignment will impact their grade and their overall average. Using the missing grade feature helps you keep track of who hasn't completed assignment and keeps your gradebook accurate. The students are also able to see what assignments are missing on their side when they log into Google Classroom as well. You can find this and other resources at jcps.me/TLC on our technical learning.